in all the time.
Austin Martin 2 for 9 in the series. He's going to pop one up. Back of second this time. Actually, in a short right field, it'll go. Traveling to the right, and it'll be grabbed by Hao-Yu Lee. Well, I'll tell you what, a couple of very easy pop-ups to start the game for Troy Watson.
Yeah, a couple of pitches at the top of the zone, get those hitters to chase a little bit. It's tough to get up there, and so you tend to pop those pitches up. But I will say, I love this lineup defensively, by the way. I think it's really athletic. It's nice to see Kreidler playing left field, a place that he's always been really good at developing their players from within. And if you're unsatisfied with what you have, then you got to go get some fresh talent.
Yeah, they certainly did that. Plus, they saved a boatload of money moving Correa off the books for the future. Strike 3 called as a curveball in there from Marco Raya, and a first strikeout of the game for him. Remember, he struck out 8, his season high. And you get Hao-Yu Lee at the plate. Hao-Yu Lee's average sitting at 240. He struck out his first time up, and he takes in tight. Ball 1. Lee still with those 6 triples on. Yeah, he's got some pop too. 11 homers. He's driven in 40, but he's also 2 years of age. 2-0 pitch. That one hit high in the air, foul and out of play. System.
No, it was a pretty good day for the Tigers, getting a vet like Charlie Morton.
Drive in the air here to center. Tracking it is Holland to his left. He'll make the grab. First out of the inning.
It's 50 here at the game.
Now, give me one of the reactions you've seen from the fans, because you've been having people come up to the booth all night.
Right. This little girl came up, and her family was waiting behind her. And
on Jonah Bride, and the pitch. That one grounded up the middle. This could be 2. Lee steps on the bag. He'll fire over to first. 4-3. Inning-ending double play. And the fourth sees one in the top half. Yeah, he's about to serve up his 70th pitch of the ball game. Hao-Yu Lee at the plate. First pitch to him. Ground ball foul. Right to Gabe Alvarez.
What a nice guy that Gabe is.
You know what? It's been quite a joy talking with him all season long. Been very cordial with us. Everything we've needed. Keeping us abreast of what's going on with the team. Swing and a miss. And candid about how things have gone. Raya ready. He'll fire, and a swing and a foul. Backing out of play.
He's making.
And he got him as he finally went to the fastball, and Lee couldn't find it. Second strikeout of the inning. That will bring up Trey Sweeney with 2 down and a runner at first.
On that second strikeout for Hao-Yu Lee, I'll finish off my story.
Oh, yeah.
About the golden sombrero.
All right, back here at Fifth Third Field, leading things off. First pitch swinging is Hao-Yu Lee, and he drives one to center. Leadoff single for the Mud Hens in their half of the 8th inning.
Sometimes you get 1 pitch, 1 out. Sometimes you get 1 pitch, base hit up the middle. Nice job by Hao-Yu Lee.
Hey, you like that part of it. No action down in either bullpen right now. Hartlieb just... Ground ball hit slowly up the middle. It's going to trickle through. Julian unable to get to it. Oh, going first to third is Hao-Yu Lee.
That is the classic seeing eye single right there, with the second baseman pulled over in the hole to help out the first baseman. Just a 50-hop ground ball to the right side of the bag up the middle.
What a thing of beauty, huh?
That is a beautiful thing right there.
Edouard Julien, who covers pretty good ground out there at second base, couldn't get to that one.
He was way pulled over, and it would hit it almost in the routine second base.
Coming up. Pitch to him. He is going to hit one high in the air, deep to left center. This should be deep enough to get the run home. Catch is made by Holland. Tagging at third, scoring from third is Lee. Make it 3-0 Mud Hens on the sacrifice fly.
At the top of the order with Hao-Yu Lee for his second at bat of the inning. Started the whole thing with a single on the first pitch of the inning.
That's right. Took that first pitch, drove it right back through the middle. Set the stage for what has turned into a 5-run 8th inning. And the Mud Hens in great shape to take their third couple over on the second half. You're talking about the second half standings. Strike into 22-6. Drive high in the air. This one should get him through the inning. First baseman Sabato with the call. He'll make the grab. Lee retired, and that's all for the Mud Hens in there.